So this is my EDC bag for my e-bike commute. No off-roading on my commute. So what I have here is a small bike repair kit. On the other side I have a bike multi-tool. And lastly a bike pump. Let's start with the pump first. It is an electric pump. Per charge I can get about 15 full cycles out of it. It does make quite some noise, as you can hear, but it gets the job done quickly. And next we have the multi-tool. It has a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead, and also a few Allen key sizes. Not really anything fancy about this one. I haven't used it yet, but it looks sturdy enough for a few uses. And finally, the cheapest thing in here, the bike repair kit, with instructions, of course. So what do we have here? A few tire lifters, some glue, a few self-adhesive patches, and a piece of sanding paper. Next to that, I always carry a pocket knife with me. Especially the scissors are really handy. And then my wallet. I have another multi-tool. You can find this basically everywhere. I found mine at the local grocery shop. This one is not big enough for the bigger bolts, but I mainly use the 10mm for the gears. So this is all. Let's get everything back in there. And this is my frame bag. Everything fits into it nicely. It's really compact. And for a short commute, for about 30 minutes, I don't need anything else. In the next video, I will show you how the electric pump works. It's one of Xiaomi. And I think it's quite fun to watch. Thanks.